Angelina and I are here again at Chapperal Park. Today is September the 9th, and we're having our dinner in the pavilion, and we've got guests just waiting to be fed something. So here's our little guests, and they'll multiply. Normally, as soon as we get out of our car and start opening up the crackers for the geese and the ducks, all these blackbirds and brown birds come swarming through here, and pretty soon the brown birds will come. So I threw them out some crackers, and okay, Angie threw out a red pepper to them, and they're eating. Up, he's hiding now. Don't want to be on camera. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Still holding the pepper. Oh, there it went. He ate the pepper.